Um, hey, my name is Matthijs de Tooy and my student number is 150237 and my game is The Shogun's Arrival. So the overview of the game is The Shogun's Arrival will be a single-player game and it will be action role-playing. It will be developed for PC, and since it contains violence and mature language, the target audience will be 18 plus, and also for lovers of Dark Souls, Bloodborne, and Noah, for its difficult combat system that I will incorporate into the game. As for my marketing, I will try and gain following from social media such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and this will allow the game to build hype up around it, and with this it will benefit the once-off purchase marketing strategy or monetization strategy I have. Other key selling points of the game, other than the challenging combat systems such as Dark Souls, will be the feel of the game. Much like The Last Guardian, I want the animations to tell a story about the character and set the mood of the game. I intend to go for a light-hearted feel mainly for the game. The story will also be one of the key selling points since the game will be heavy story-driven. The development for The Shogun's Arrival is planned to be completed within a year, and the team will consist up to 2 people, but for the foreseeable future it will only be myself working on the project. The resources I'll be using for this project will be Unreal Engine for the game engine obviously, ZBrush for sculpting, Maya for retypologizing and rigging, Blender for blocking out models, Substance Painter for baking normals and texturing, and Photoshop for concept art and just general sketching. Then I have some reference footages pictures for my environment. I'm going for Overwatch style for my game, but it's more fantasy and it won't be in the future. So I'll mix the Overwatch style with a kind of fantasy, more ancient setting. And then just a final concept art for my character, my main character. And then some progress on the 3D model I'm working on. And then I have a prototype. So for this prototype, I mainly focused on just getting the character to move, setting up basic attacks, and having this enemy that can chase you and just blow up. And then I set up, as you can see in the left corner, when you jump, it sets a string for which jump attack it should do. So in further development, this could just be other animations and damaging systems could be incorporated into this. So for now, it just has a string that indicates that coding has already been done. And then I have an AI that you can interact with, and he has his own daily cycle, going to his house and going to a random spot in a field for now. And it's also set up so that you can drag animations into certain areas. So when he gets to his house, he will sleep, or when he gets to his workshop per se, he'll do blacksmithing or whatever. So yeah, that's the prototype I have now.